Meaning of flabby.
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 Flabby. The word flabby describes something that is soft, loose, and lacking firmness. A flabby object may lack muscle tone or strength, and may appear saggy or floppy. This term can be used to describe both physical objects and people's physical appearance. For example, a person with flabby arms may have excess skin or fat in that area, while a flabby piece of meat may lack proper texture and appear unappetizing. Overall, the term flabby suggests a lack of firmness or strength and a general lack of aesthetic appeal.